Hello, my name is Mariyama James, and I'm here to discuss this evening my Ecosystems Business Report. An overview of my report is reviewing the benefits to providing effective communication strategies to enhance better communication among diverse cultures. What I have gained from the ecosystem seminars is the ability to be persuasive, how to better edit communication, whether written, verbal, or in viewing, I would say videos or presentations, being a better quality customer service provider, and just being more organized. Major concept and support for my business report includes effective barriers in communication. Those barriers involve stereotyping, racism, and ethnocentrism. Let's talk about effective barriers connected to childhood and associated various relationships. These relationships can affect how we react and behave with others from a different culture. Now, along with those behaviors, we also can develop words learned from childhood that can be hurtful. Hurtful words are often used to stereotype cultures. In a study by Velasco between Japanese men and women and Nigerian men and women, the study found over 20% Japanese males felt Nigerians were criminals, and approximately 17% of Nigerian males thought Japanese individuals were racist. Ethnocentrism is found in all cultures. According to Kwok, India has a larger percentage of superior separation over both Korea and the United States. Literature on cultural differences. The number of literatures produced to explain cultural differences emphasizes those differences rather than draw off its similarities or those similarities. My recommendations to addressing effective barriers include seminars and classes, introduction of empathy, and developing critical thinking through interactions. We're going to start by briefly reviewing seminar and classes. Seminar and classes increases the knowledge of select cultures that a business interacts with routinely or least often by providing classes or seminars that may enhance reliance on skills learned to assist with decreasing stereotyping. Introduction of empathy. Encouraging empathetic skills in the interactions between employees can be a primary skill like teaching listening. An ethical listener can be more appreciative of another's view perspective to managing racism. Developing critical thinking through interaction with others. This will provide more chances for employees to learn from each other and increase the interchanging of suggestions and communications between various culture groups to help with addressing ethnocentrism. To some, all communication in numerous settings can benefit from implementation of effective barrier strategies. So, adding these strategies to ecosystem seminars can improve outcomes and expand cultural practices to address a diverse world. Thank you.